So till now you have studied that what are the numbers. এখন তুমি তোমরা পড়েছো দেখো 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. These all are one digit number. What? এগুলো সব one digit number. Okay. These 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. These are one digit number. Like 20, 21, 30, 45. These are all two digit number. What? Two digit number. Okay. Now 438, 522, 592, 630. These all are what we call them? এগুলোকে আমরা কি বলি? 3 digit number. THR 3 digit number. Okay. Please copy this. I am erasing. Next, we will learn that Indian number system. What we will learn? INDIAN, Indian number system. Okay. What we will learn? Indian number system. Okay. So, আমরা এবার কি করব? Indian number system করব. Indian number system এ কি কি আছে? আমরা লাস্ট থেকে নেব, সবসময় লাস্ট থেকে নেওয়া উচিত। আমি একটা তোমাদেরকে দেখাচ্ছি। ONES, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh, sorry, crore and 10 crore. Okay. Okay, this is Indian number system. Okay. Now there is another, that is international number system. What we call? International number system. What we call? International number system. Okay. In this, what are they there? Up to 10,000. It is same. See, ones, there will be ones, then tens, then there will be 100, then there will be 1000, then there will be 10,000. See, ones same, tens same, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now there will be changes. Okay. Now see, there will be a 100,000. Okay. What? HUNDRED, 100,000. Okay. See, then there will be 1 million. Okay. What will be there? 1 million. Then 100 million. After that, 1 billion. $2 billion. And last, 100 billion. Okay, learn this format. I will I will teach you by giving one example. This is the process. These are the things you have to learn. This is Indian number system. This is international number system. Note. Okay. Now I will teach you Indian number system by taking one example from your book only. That is example number 2. Okay. So now we will learn Indian number system by taking an example. Okay, ones, tens, 100. What we call this one is called ones. Now 1000, 10,000, 1000. Lakh, 10 lakh. This home is called lakh. Crore, and 10 crore. Okay, so now I am taking example of one digit, that is 3. 7, 5, 6, 2, 4, 7, 5, 6, 2, 4, 9, 0, 8. 9, 0, 8. Okay. So I have taken a digit, that is 7, 5, 6, 2, 4, 9, 0, 8. So we have to always start from our from the last. Okay, means আমাদের সবসময় লাস্ট থেকে স্টার্ট করতে হবে, স্টার্টিং থেকে না, যখন আমরা কখনো সাজাবো। ঠিক আছে, তো কি করে আসবে দেখে দাও। এই চলে এলো এটার বাড়িতে 1 স্যার 0 9 4 2 6 5 and 7. Okay, see এমনি করে সাজাতে হবে আমাদের নাম্বার সিস্টেমে। দেন যদি বলা যায় কখনো দ্যাট এটাকে আমাদের কি করে করতে হবে, যদি আমাদেরকে বলে এটাকে নিউমেরাল ফর্মে লিখতে, মিন্স ইউ হ্যাভ টু রাইট। কি করে লিখবো দেখে নাও। When there will be a question, put them in pattern. So you have to draw this type of pattern, like this. You have to draw a pattern, then you have to put the digit. Okay, and when there will be called write in number form, then you have to write, say like this. This is 7. There is nothing 7, so you have to write SEVEN 7 crores, CRORE 7 crores. This is 56 lakh. This 2, this is lakh, this is 10 lakh. We have to take both. This both we have to take. This is 2 digit number. We have to take 56 lakh. So So what you write? FIF. Here 56 SI6 lakhs LAAHS lakhs 56 lakhs. Again we have to take 2 digit 1024. So what you write? 7056 lakh 24,000 EWENTY 20 AFOU or 4,000 THOUSAND 24,000. This is 3-digit number. So we have to write. We have to take all the three. This is one form. So we have to write 7 crore 56 lakh 24,908. What we have to write? 900. A 9 and HUNDREAB 108 EIGHT. Ready? Now we will learn expand form. How will, if the question is given, write in expand form. What? EXPAND, expand form. So how we will write it? I am using it one. That is expand form. Okay. So I will write it in expand form. See what is there. I am looking into the book. The number is 75624,908. Okay. So how will expand it? See, this I have taken the same number. So how will expand? First, I have to write the 7 into how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So 1 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we do the sign of plus. Then there is a 5. 5 into 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then again plus. Then there is a 6. Have to open the bracket 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many zeros? 1 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus after that 2 into 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then again plus 4 into 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next plus 9 into 100. Okay. Then this is 0. What is that? 0. Then 0 into 1. Okay. After that 8 into 1. 6. This is the expand form. Okay. If the question is telling that write the number in the expand form, we have to do like this. How many? First have to take the number, then how many number are left? We have to take 0 and multiply that. This is the expand form. Note it down. I am raising this. Till then we have learned Indian number system. Now we will learn by example. By taking an example, we will learn international number system. Okay. Now we learn international number system. I am drawing the format for your better understanding. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Pounds, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. Hundred, HUMDR 100,000. After that, million, 10 million, and 100 million. This is million. I am taking monthly income, that is the number is 49637582. So as I told earlier also that we have to take from last, that is 2, 8, 5, 7, 3, 6, 9 and 4. Okay, see, now we have to write in words. If the question is coming write in words, so how will write? Number is given, we have to write this in words. So what will write in words? What will write? See, we have to take this 2 digit number, 2 digit. If there will be a number, another number, then we have to take the 3 digit. Okay, now there is no number, so we have to take 2 digit number. What is that? 40, A4URTY, 40, 9, A9, million, AMILLION, 49 million. Now see, there is a 3 digit number. Okay, this is, we have to take it as a 3 digit number. So 49 million, this is n. Okay, 49 million 600 SIS6 100 HUNDRED 100 37,000 THIRT 37,000. So again I have to take this as a 3 digit number. 582. What? A5 500 82 EIGH 80 TW42. Okay, if it is given, you have to, when the question is coming, then we have to write in words, so we have to break it like this. Okay, and if the question is there, write at 49,607,582, then we have to write like this. Okay. Now I am showing you 1 or 2 sums, and then I will give you homework on exercise 1A. EXERCIS, exercise 1A. Question number is 1. Okay. No, I am taking 1. I am taking number 2. Okay. See, the question is 54,073. So again we have to draw this like this format. We have to draw in your copy. ones, tens, hundred, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, PHOUSAND, thousand, 10,000. So what is there given there? The question is 54,703. Okay. So we have to write 50. What is 54,703? We have to write from like this. Okay. And the next another question is there. Number 2, that is write each of the following in number in words. We have to write in words. Okay. So I am taking number 2, number 1. Okay. That is 63,005. 63,005. Okay. That is the process 63,005. So how we have to arrange? We have to like this. We have to arrange 50,036. Okay. So as it is, as the question has said, we have to write in number. Write in words. So how we write? SIXTY 60. I will take this to 63 THR33 thousand THOUSAND 63,000. 3 digits over 63,500. 63,005. That's right. 63,005. Okay. Is number 3-1. I am taking number 3-1. That is the question is write each of the following number in expand form. Okay. What is there? Write each of the number in expand form. The question is 15768. So I have given you one example how to do the expand form. Now again I am teaching you once. 1 into 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus there is a 5 into 1, 1, 2, 3. How many digits are there? There will be that many zeros. Okay. And again next 7 into 1. How many digits are there? 2 digits. 1, 2. Okay. Plus 6 into 1, 0. Because 1 digit is there, then there is no digit. So what we have to do? Plus 8 into 1. Okay. This is expand form. And there is another question, number 4-1. The expand form is given. We have to write in number. Okay, number 4-1. The expand form is given. See, that is the question is 6 into 1,000 plus 2 into 100. Sorry, 000. Plus 5 into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 4 into 1. So how we have to write? If the question is telling to write in the format, so again you have to draw the format. If the question doesn't tell write in the format, you don't have to draw the format. The format you have to draw the same. Ones, tens, 100, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and there will be crores and 10 crores. 1,000, lakhs, CROR is crores, and 10 crores. See, we have to write it from the last. 4 into 1 4, then 8, then 5, because 100 is there, 1 over 100, so there is 100. Then 1000 is there, so 2 in 1000 house. Then 10,000 once, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 6,000, 6. So we have to do like this: 6, 2, 5, 8, 4. So 62,584. Okay. So this is the class for today, and I will give you the homework. I will text you the homework. What are the homework? Thank you very much.